Hello everyone, this is Mohammed. I am Java trainer in JSpiders Punjagutta. Here we have Ankita Mishra, who got recently placed in a company, and she will introduce herself.
My name is Ankita Mishra. I am from Odisha. Now I am at Hyderabad. I have completed my B.TECH from Gandhi Institute of Advanced Computer and Research in the CSC background, and my 12th from Chinmay Vidyalaya Thiruvali, and my secondary education and my 10th class from Lakshmipad Singania Public School.
So, when you have joined here?
I have joined in February 2024.
February.
8.
Nearly 6-7 months.
Yes.
So it means you have done mostly Java full stack. You have completed, right?
I have completed with core Java, SQL, and HTML and CSS, and ongoing with JavaScript.
And advanced Java.
Advanced Java.
Okay, fine. So here, after attending of all these classes, did you attend the presentation sessions?
Yes, when we have completed with SQL, we have attended the presentation session.
So how these presentation sessions helped you?
It helped me in getting confident, and good in communicating skills, and build me very confident to speak to someone.
Okay, good. And before attending the interviews, did you attend any grooming classes?
Yes, sir.
So how these grooming classes help you to crack the interview?
Actually, in these grooming classes, we got many questions, many coding questions, which helped me to know that how the process, how the rule we will apply to when we are doing any questions, and how we will apply the logic also.
Okay, very good. So you finally got placed.
Yes, sir.
So which company got placed?
Basaka Technology.
So when is the joining date?
16 September.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.